Hello everyone and welcome to my new channel, A Planet Called E-Arth. I am Jessica P and today you will be joining me on a flight flying Fiji Airways from Auckland to Nadi. I sure do hope you're all feeling fantastic today. I do apologise for how the audio sounds at the moment. I do realise it's a little bit raspy and we will be sure to get that fixed soon. Thank you for joining me. And we're on board. Sorry, I realised that was a really quick transition from just outside the airport to on board, but it wasn't really that interesting a footage, so I thought I'd just skip straight to this. So, right off the bat, we were delayed. Of course we were. And we're not absolutely sure why. I think we were trying to locate some passengers or something like that, but right away I noticed that my USB port was not working, which was a bit annoying. So it's a bit of a bummer, but it's only a 3-hour flight, so you know, it's fine. After some safety procedures, we were well underway. Oh my gosh, takeoff is always my favorite part. Well, that is until the next part, which is, of course, the food. And on today's menu, we have a really strange chicken curry and rice concoction with this strange coconut chocolate bar thing and a cold loaf of bread. I thought that the meal was alright. My dad, however, referred to it as dog's breakfast, which I don't blame him because he doesn't eat chicken, but the option was chicken curry or chicken salad, so he ended up going without, which was a bit of a shame. Oh yeah, and because it was during the day, I managed to get some footage of us flying into Fiji, which is really beautiful. I really love the way that countries look from the sky. I just love it, it's just a nice touch. With that, we had landed in Nadi, Fiji within 3 hours, I think, and besides it being a very basic economy class, the staff were really, really nice, and that's the one thing I love about Fiji is the staff and the people are always so happy, and it just brightens my day. Well, that's all guys for this short flight from Auckland to Nadi. Thank you so much for joining me here on A Planet Called E-Arth. I really hope that you enjoyed this short and sweet video on this airline review.